Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for dog training center. So here let's assume that I have a dog training center and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for dog training center. So here let's assume that I have a dog training center and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So this here is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and on my left hand side you can see these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect, on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So basically, action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for dog training center. So now moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my dog training center with the help of Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving to my action window, as I want to add the Facebook lead details in a Google Sheet. So here my action application will be Google Sheets, and here it is. And the action event will be to add new row, because in a new row, I want to add the Facebook lead details. So here you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in a Google Sheet. So now to do this, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, so I've already logged into my Facebook account. So here I'm simply going to click on connect. And the authorization is successful. So here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to page and the lead gen form. So here I need to select the page that I've created for my dog training center and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the Facebook page that I've created for my training center by the name of ABC Training Center for Dog. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly, I'm going to search for my page that is ABC Training Center for Dog, and I've selected my page. So once I've selected my page, now I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here in Meta Business Suite, these two are the lead ads form, and I want to use this form that is by the name of dog training contact form. And this is how the form looks like. So I want to go with this lead ad form. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the lead gen form as dog training contact form. So once I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with my page, here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. So now here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to go to this new tab and search for Meta for developers. So I will go to the page. And here in Meta for developers, I will go to my apps. And in my apps, I will go to tools. And under developer tools, I will go to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive the data correctly. So now from this page drop down, I'm going to select my page that I've created for my business, and here it is. So now moving to the form, so from the drop down, I'm going to select the form as dog training contact form. So once I've selected my page and the form associated with my page, so here I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the lead gen form, and I filled in the details of full name, email and phone number. So now here I'm going to click on next. Now I'm going to click on submit. So here it says thanks, you're all set, and it says your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have got captured in Pabbly Connect, taking you to Pabbly Connect. Here you can see I have received a response. So here you can see the full name, email, phone number. Here is the created date and time along with some other details. So that means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect automatically. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the test lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So now to do this, firstly I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I just have to sign in with my Google account. So here I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access. And you can see that the authorization is successful. So here you can see that Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets is successfully connected. So this here is the Google Sheet which I've created where I want to add the details of the Facebook leads. So the name of the Google Sheet is Facebook Leads New. Here it consists of 3 columns. One is for lead email, lead name and the phone number. And this Google Sheet consists of only one sheet. So now in this sheet, I want to mention the lead details. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly, I'm going to select the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. And over here, you can see that the selected sheet is sheet 1 automatically because there was only one sheet in our Google Sheet. So now moving to these details of lead email, lead name and the phone number. So I'm going to map these details. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map the lead email. Now I'm going to map the lead name. Now I'm going to map the lead phone number. So here you can see I've mapped the details in these fields. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here I'm simply going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. So now I'm going to take you to my Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that in a new row, the details of the test lead which I've just created is successfully added. Here is the lead email, lead name and the phone number. So that means the test lead which I've just created, the details of that test lead is successfully added in a new row. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.